Hello and welcome to Card Design Thursday. I'm trying to work on my angles here and some lighting, so be patient with me. I know videos have been sporadic and, I apologize for that, but it's just, the way it's going. I have to take care of some health issues and things first. So today, I'm going to be making a card showing you how to use a large stamp as the focal part of the card and some beautiful paper, different background paper. So this is a Victorian Christmas paper pack. It's an A5 paper pack, and it is 160 GSM. It's not real thick pack, but I got this from Created Home G last year, and I really enjoyed using it. I've been picking and choosing because you get 42 designs, one of each. So I've been kind of choosing that. So we're going to be using that paper pad, and the paper that we're using out of it today is this green one right here. It's a beautiful paper. It's got like little holly leaves on it. And then we're going to be using this stamp here. It's a beautiful stamp. I got this last year at Tuesday morning, and it's called Christmas Cottage by Stampendous. And I'm not even sure that you can even get this anymore, but it's a beautiful stamp. I don't use many woodblock stamps anymore, but there's still some that I really enjoy using. And so we're going to be using a red card base. And we're going to be making a just an A2 size card, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And then the mat is going to be cut at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And then we have an inside mat because it's red and you can't stamp on it. And this one is cut at the same as 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And so to save time, I've gone ahead and stamped the image, and I've colored it. And what I did was I used just regular color pencils on this, and I used my Wink of Stella and my white Jelly Roll pen. And I used the Jelly Roll pen on the roof and the tops of the fence and stuff to give it some texture. And then I also used, and I don't have it real close to me, but I also used some stickles on top of the berries and then the posts with the snow. But I wanted this to be white, of course, with the roof. So I used the Jelly Roll pen, and it gave it some texture to it. And then I used the Wink of Stella on the snow part, the background part of it. And I just thought it came out really lovely. And this is the card that I made. And this one I used the dark green background and the Victorian red with the holly leaves on it. So I think it came out really pretty. And then on the inside, I just put Stamp Seasons Greetings. And this is the stamp that I got. It's from May's Large Greetings, one of her stamp sets. And then I also used some foam tape. And I just popped this up to give it a little bit of dimension on the card. So it's really simple card. What I did was I stamped this on white paper, and then I fussy cut it out. And yes, I left some white background in here with the leaves and stuff, and that's perfectly okay. And I think it's just really pretty. So all I'm doing is taking the white card base, the red card base, and I'm going to go ahead and use my art glitter glue, and I'm just going to go ahead and stick my inside down on here. And the paper that I'm using, the cards are some paper packs that I got from Tuesday morning last year as well. And they're really sturdy cards. And do I have 2 of them here? No, just 1. So that is the inside. And I'm going to go ahead and stamp this and let that be drying. So this is just a quick and easy little card, but I'll give you some ideas of how you can use your stamps in different ways, so you don't have to stamp your big wooden blocks on a flat surface on the flat, on the front of the card, and let it be that you can actually make a dimensional card out of here. And I just used Memento ink on this. Okay. And so I'm going to take my image here, and I'm just going to put foam tape on the back of this so that it'll pop up a little bit. And I'm just using this foam tape here that I got from Walmart. And it's a lot cheaper at Walmart than other places. I'm almost out of it, but I just want to make sure you secure that pretty good. I am going to take my scissors and trim off this little corner right here, so that's not poking out. Okay, and then we're just going to peel off the back of that. And then we're just going to look for the middle and sort of center it on the middle. And then I'm just going to take my Wink of Stella pen, because you know I love my bling, y'all. If anybody knows me. And I'm just going to outline the edges of the card with my Wink of Stella, just to give it a little bit of dimension, that little shine. And I'm just going around the edges because, like I said, I've used stickles and Wink of Stella on the card itself. So I'm just trying to give it a little extra oomph, little shine there. Okay. Let that dry. And then I'm just going to put some art glitter glue on the back of this. Oh, I did not want that to happen. Okay, let's not put that in the way. Alright. See, y'all? I just leave my boo-boos in. Okay. Let me get my little wipies out here and wipe that up right quick before I get glue all over my desk. Okay. There we go. And while I have this out, I'll just wipe my stamp off as well. I've been using this a lot, so it was kind of dirty. So it was time to wipe it out. Okay, so it was a quick and easy little card. And I just think they're really pretty. And that's what those look like. Now, when I did my last card, I told you I was going to be offering some card kits, and that's what I'm going to do with this one. And so with the card kits, the kits are going to be $6 shipped, and you're going to get a stamped image of the image that I use. You're going to get 4 of those with every kit. The only thing different is going to be the background paper. You guys know that I am trying to raise money for a medical procedure that I need, so I thought this would be a great way to do it, and you would get something too. So you're going to get 4 stamped images. You're going to get 2 green and 2 red card backs. You're going to get 4 inserts for your inside cards. And then you're going to get, the only thing that changes are the backgrounds. And then this one is from the Old World collection that I got from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago. It's this one right here. And so you're going to get So I have one. The first kit is going to be red and green stripe background. And then the second kit that I only have, I think, 4 or 5 of these. The other ones I have, of course, you're going to get the red and green backgrounds, the white backgrounds, and 4 stamped images. And then I have this one right here that has the burgundy and then the red and green stripes. It's really pretty on the red card. So that's another one. Those are stripes, and I don't know what to call this, but I'll think of something. And then this one is from that same old world pattern. And there again, you still get the 4 images, the red and the 4 card blanks for these. And then this is the vintage, and you're going to get these right here. So this is vintage number 1 that I have in the red and green. And then this is vintage number 2. Like I said, you get the card backs and everything. And vintage number 2 is like the paper that I use to make my sample cards. The reds and the green. And vintage number 3 is the red and the green with the holly leaves on them. So I'll have them listed below in the description box. And so I have 5 sets, and they're $6 each. And they're already made up, so I'll ship them out right away if you would like them. So, yep. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this card. And please don't feel no pressure to get a kit or anything, but I just wanted to offer this to you because this is no longer available. And so a lot of you like to duplicate the cards that I do. But of course you can use any large stamp you have. But these are the cards for this week, and I think they're really pretty. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. And as always, please give this a thumbs up. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting that little subscribe button up there. Alright guys, thank you so much. And when I finish with all these tests and everything at the end of this week, hopefully I'll have some definitive answers for myself and for you as well. So thank you for your patience. Have a wonderful day. God bless. Bye-bye.